If your kitchen is chaotic, you're losing your valuable time. Thankfully, smart organizers and clever gadgets can instantly transform your space. By unlocking hidden storage, these innovative tools eliminate messy clutter, slash your daily meal prep time, and keep every essential tool neatly arranged right at your fingertips. You will easily maximize every single inch of your counters and cabinets while finally enjoying stress-free cooking. To upgrade your kitchen space today, check out the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the smartest kitchen upgrades. This heavy-duty slide-out pantry shelves drawer transforms deep cabinets into easily accessible storage with its smooth, heavy-duty sliding rails. Whether you're storing cookware, pantry essentials, or small appliances, everything glides out effortlessly and stays within easy reach. Its durable construction supports heavy loads while maximizing cabinet space and keeping your kitchen organized. It's a practical upgrade that adds convenience to your daily routine, and it typically costs around $60 to $90. Keeping the organization going, we have a clever solution with this 20-inch kitchen organizer, which instantly transforms cluttered cabinets into neat, easy-to-access storage with its smooth pull-out design and multi-level shelves. It's perfect for organizing cleaning supplies, bottles, and daily household essentials while making the most of vertical space. Everything stays completely visible, organized, and right within reach, making everyday use much more convenient. This organizer typically costs between $35 and $60. Now let's bring that same organization to your drawers with this silicone drawer organizer, which features customizable, non-slip dividers that let you create the perfect layout for utensils, cutlery, cooking tools, and everyday kitchen essentials. Its flexible silicone design fits a wide range of drawer sizes, stays securely in place without sliding, and is incredibly easy to clean whenever needed. By keeping everything neatly separated and easy to access, it eliminates clutter and saves time every time you open the drawer. You can usually find it for around $15 to $30. Next, let's give your pantry a serious upgrade using these airtight food storage containers that keep ingredients fresher for longer with secure, leak-proof lids that lock out air and moisture. Their stackable, transparent design maximizes shelf space while making it easy to see exactly what is inside. Perfect for storing cereal, pasta, rice, flour, coffee, baking supplies, and snacks, they create a cleaner, more organized pantry while reducing clutter. Depending on the set, they typically cost between $25 and $50, making them a worthwhile investment. And here is a simple way to organize your refrigerator with these rolling fridge organizers that feature a smooth wheeled design, bringing items from the back of your fridge right to the front with minimal effort. They are perfect for storing produce, drinks, snacks, dairy products, and condiments while maximizing refrigerator space and keeping everything neatly arranged. Their clear design makes finding ingredients quick and easy, helping reduce clutter and food waste. Most sets are priced around $20 to $40. Now let's move over to the sink area with this 3-in-1 sponge holder, which keeps your sponge, dish brush, and soap neatly organized in one compact place to effectively reduce clutter around your counter. Its open drainage design allows excess water to drain away completely, keeping your cleaning tools drier and much more hygienic. Compact yet practical, it keeps everything within easy reach while making your countertop look significantly cleaner. You can usually find it for around $10 to $20, making it an excellent purchase. Keeping that clean setup going, we have another great everyday essential with this smart silicone dish drying mat, which provides a durable, heat-resistant surface for drying your glassware and heavy cookware without ever flooding your kitchen countertops. The clever raised ridges maximize natural airflow so your wet things dry twice as fast, and the highly flexible material rolls up right out of sight when you are finished. It is completely dishwasher safe, perfect for daily routines, and usually costs between $15 and $25. If you need even more functionality, consider trying out the expandable dish rack, which fits right over your kitchen sink to quickly reclaim your valuable countertop space. The adjustable frame easily expands to match your sink's size perfectly, offering dedicated slots for heavy plates, wet bowls, silverware utensils, and even freshly washed produce. It drains directly into the open basin, so you never have to wipe up messy puddles, making this a truly fantastic clutter-free upgrade for about $30 to $60. For another brilliant way to maximize your counter space, take a look at this foldable sink rack mat, which rolls out instantly right over your open kitchen sink to create a sturdy, heavy-duty drying platform. Because it is made of silicone-coated steel, it easily doubles as a heat-resistant trivet to protect your table or countertops from scorching hot pots and pans. Once everything is dry, it simply rolls up into a tight cylinder for effortless drawer storage, all for an affordable $15 to $30 price range. Heading forward, we have one final practical addition with this dish brush, which features a built-in soap dispenser that squirts liquid dish soap right into your dirty pans with a quick button press. The heavy-duty nylon bristles scrub away stuck-on food grease without scratching your non-stick coatings, while the non-slip ergonomic handle keeps your grip secure even when wet. It's a faster, less wasteful way to handle daily cleanup, costing a budget-friendly $10 to $20 overall. Hope you're enjoying the video. Let me know your favorite item in the comments, and remember, all links are given in the description below. Next up, you can seriously streamline your daily meal prep with this collapsible chopping board with colander because it rolls a cutting surface, rinsing basket, and prep station into one clever design. You can chop your veggies, rinse them right there, and dump them into the pan without dirtying 3 different bowls. When you're done, the whole thing squishes completely flat to slide into a drawer, making it perfect for crowded kitchens. It usually goes for around $20 to $35. Moving on, you can cut down on your actual cooking chores and speed things up with this 3-in-1 French fry Corez. This handy tool comes with heavy-duty interchangeable blades that turn whole potatoes into perfect, uniform fries in a single press. The lever handle does all the heavy lifting for you, so it's just as easy to prep carrots, cucumbers, or zucchini sticks. It gives you restaurant-looking sides with way less effort, usually costing between $25 and $45. Up next, let's handle those smaller prep jobs without the usual hassle by upgrading to this multifunctional vegetable peeler. The stainless steel blade is incredibly sharp, meaning it glides right through tough potato skins or waxy apples without getting stuck. What sets it apart is the smooth wooden handle, which gives you a comfortable, secure grip that won't slip out of your hand while you work. It's a durable, simple little upgrade for your daily routine that costs just $10 to $20. Now let's check out a massive upgrade for your kitchen game with this Amorston 21-piece knife set, especially if you get a ton of mileage out of cooking at home. It includes every essential blade you could need, from chef's knives and bread knives to steak knives, utility knives, and kitchen shears, all neatly organized in a stylish storage block. The premium stainless steel blades stay sharp for precise, effortless cutting, making everyday meal prep faster and easier. This complete set typically sells for around $80 to $150. If you're looking for even more storage to keep those new blades within arm's reach, think about mounting this magnetic knife holder to your kitchen wall. Instead of letting knives clutter your drawers or take up valuable counter space with a bulky block, this heavy-duty magnetic strip holds them securely in plain sight. It keeps your favorite tools organized right above your workspace for quick access, making your kitchen feel more open while adding a clean, professional appearance. You can usually find one for around $20 to $40. Next up, you can reclaim your cluttered countertops with this clever magnetic spice rack for refrigerator, which attaches securely to the side of your fridge without a single screw. Its ultra-strong magnets create a sturdy storage shelf for your favorite spices, cooking oils, sauces, and seasonings, while turning unused refrigerator space into valuable storage. Everything stays within easy reach during meal prep, freeing up cabinet and counter space for a cleaner kitchen. Most options are available for around $20 to $35. Moving on, let's take a look at a much smarter way to season your meals with this Spice Auto Measure Carousel. It keeps your favorite spices neatly organized on a smooth rotating base while dispensing a perfectly measured portion with every simple twist. This clever design eliminates messy measuring spoons and helps you add consistent seasoning without guessing. It is an excellent one-handed solution for busy home cooks who value speed, precision, and organization. Expect to pay between $35 and $60. Up next, another clever addition to your countertop setup is this simple but highly effective banana hanger tree. Instead of leaving bananas on the counter where they bruise and ripen unevenly, this stand suspends them to promote better airflow around the entire bunch. That helps keep your fruit fresher for longer while freeing up valuable counter space for meal preparation. Its compact, stylish design fits almost any kitchen and typically sells for around $15 to $25. Now let's check out a massive win for anyone who loves hosting family gatherings with this warming mat for food. It keeps cooked dishes warm and ready to serve without drying out meats or overcooking side dishes. The evenly heated surface is perfect for buffets, holiday meals, potlucks, and dinner parties, ensuring every dish stays at an enjoyable serving temperature. Once the meal is over, it rolls up for compact storage. Most models cost between $40 and $80. And finally, last but not least, check out this high-capacity camping cooking utensils bag. It keeps spatulas, tongs, knives, forks, and other cooking tools neatly organized inside dedicated compartments instead of scattered throughout plastic bins. Built from rugged, durable fabric, it makes packing for camping trips, RV adventures, picnics, and backyard barbecues much easier. It is a practical organizer that keeps everything within easy reach and typically costs around $30 to $50. And that wraps up our look at some of the best kitchen organizers and gadgets around. If you saw something you liked, all the links are sitting right down in the description box below so you can check them out. We'd love to know what you think, so drop a comment and let us know which one you're tempted to add to your own kitchen setup.